this episode is the $3,000 Hooptie Challenge Races. So, let's get right to it, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Actually, doing a little bit better than I expected. You didn't bother to look under the hood of this thing, because why would you? Why is he backing out of the lane? Backing out of the medians, rather. And they're off. The minivan gets the hole shot, so to speak, but I think the maxi van is going to drive faster. Survey says minivan gets there first with a 19.0 to a 19.9. The F350 in the right-hand lane, just in perhaps the most pathetic burnout I've ever seen. He's going to run his 6-cylinder all the way down the track while you guys wait for him. Meanders down the track. Left-hand lane, 1879, 78 miles an hour, and a pathetic 22 seconds at 60 miles an hour in the right-hand lane. You realize that the intent of $3,000 Hooptie Challenge is not just to be cheap, but to also be good, or at least quick, at least reasonably so. Marking some tire and shaking some bed. The Chevy is obviously going to get there first unless something goes wrong. You absolutely never know in a roadkill event. Why is he driving way over onto the left-hand side of the lane? That is some weirdness right there. But I think it's pretty clear that the Chevy's going to get there first. And it does. 17.15 at 80 miles an hour at 20.35 at 64. Now we've got the little blown V6 four-door front-wheel drive versus the LT1 powered wagon. This kid drives to high school. He showed us the ad. He proved that he paid $2,000 for that wagon, and I am hoping and praying that it is quicker than the V6. So this is going to be the Mopar with the supposed 318 under the hood. Slammed on the ground against the Ford with the flathead V8. No chance that the flathead wins this program. Wow, except for the dive is way more pathetic than anybody could anticipate. What is he trying to do? Can I try to beat the flathead? The most incredible thing I've ever seen. Folks in the staging lanes, if you have an issue with your car, please pull over to the side. We do not want to see you oil the whole track. Stunning. With a V8, he runs 21 seconds at 65 miles an hour, and the flathead V8 runs 25 seconds. That was a disgraceful display of American horsepower. Now we've got the 3rd gen versus the 4.3-liter S10 pickup. And these guys taking their time getting off the track at the big end. That's why they're waiting to stage and set it down. Issuing a personal invitation to stage as he goes not only deep, but past both bulbs. So the goal here is that you want to light the pre-stage bulb on the top and then slowly bump in until the second bulb lights. The car in the left-hand lane, the pre-stage bulb went out. That's what's going on. Staging, and there's no point minute when you were looking for a quickie deep. You actually want to go as shallow as possible. And I think we all knew that the V8 Camaro was going to get there first, and it does. 15, 13 at 90 miles an hour, and in the right-hand lane, the S10 goes 1850 at 72. Okay, the world's rustiest short bed bump side against the unidentifiable from the back, unidentifiable from the rear end by E four-door that is handily outpacing the six-cylinder Ford. I'll pay more attention to what that car is when it comes back. Gives me one, 1540 at a big 91 miles an hour left-hand lane, 20.29 seconds for the six-cylinder out of the Ford. We've got the Exploder with the 4.0 in the left-hand lane and the Disco Nova in the right-hand lane. The Disco Nova being the 75 to 79 models. Interesting combination of second-gen Camaro front suspension and first-gen Camaro rear suspension on these cars. They, of course, have the big bumpers on them. He needs to actually stage the car. That means rolling forward another inch or so. There he goes. And the Nova might have barely got the whole shot there. It's not going to matter because it didn't dust that 4-liter V6 in the Explorer either way. And the right-hand side, 1853, 76 miles an hour for the Disco Nova, and the Explorer goes home after running 1850. Absolute worst at identifying generic blob four-door sedans from the backside. That's that show Taurus, isn't it? The show Taurus handily outrunning the 2.3-liter four-cylinder box body. That little coupe. All the rusty weight reduction not helping him at all. As the show gets there, 1529. And as promised, 23 seconds out of the 2.3-liter four-banger in the box body. As the 350 Pontiac in the Ventura 2 rolls up, going head-to-head against the supercharged 3.8-liter V6 in the Cougar. Oh man, way out. And 3.8-liter put down speed. That is going to humiliate some Pontiac power just here in a moment. And he does 14.27 from the Cougar to 15.55 from the Pontiac. Yeah. Unbelievably, we allowed this third gen to actually get in competition. This is the one that is a Z28, but it was bought with a blown-up motor all wrecked for $1,000. He put a junkyard motor in it, and he's out here blasting through the field.
Junkyard 4.8.
Both cars staged. Not one red line yet. Half-second reaction times out of this stuff. And look at that, the questionable Camaro looks like he's going to go home. Oh no, it goes to the left-hand lane for the SUV 1417, and sure enough, the Camaro that people were really questioning on the value, he is going to back it up. He will not be back for the next round. We got another third gen in the left-hand lane as they're going to back these vehicles up. Waiting for a little bit of cleanup here, and I see taillights still on the track at the big end. And the 5-liter Grand Marquis, or sorry, the Blaze is in the left-hand lane, Grand Marquis is in the right-hand lane. 5-liter power in the four-door, and the 350 in the K5. Saw this thing run earlier in 17.5 seconds. So the question you have to ask yourself is the Grand Marquis quicker than 17.5? Yep. And the answer is no. The Blazer picks up to 1725, and the four-door runs to 1799. 18 seconds out of V8 power. Now this Dodge on the starting line, the pickup truck has a 440 under the hood, one that he nabbed out of an Imperial. And I think that is one of those supercharged models. That might be your fault. That thing's running quick. It's going to blow off with a supercharged V6 handily. 1320, 99 miles an hour out of the used 440 in the pickup truck. Here's our super rusty extended cab, and the Nova that surprisingly got let in because it was so bad, even though it's a pretty good body style. Desirable body style, not a desirable example. And as we go through all these rounds, we're going to whittle it away down to quicker and quicker cars. Right now we're seeing some pretty winning like that Nova at 1609 in the right-hand lane. Can't quite read it at 1808. I am walking well clear of whatever this thing is that's banging and farting here in the starting line. And in the left-hand lane, that gutted Thunderbird with the blown V6 in it. I'm thinking this car probably has something going on because they put some effort into making it light. That guy for getting over the wall rather than dragging fluids all the way down the track. I remember the track manager asked me on Tuesday, are these guys going to be oiling down the track constantly? And I was like, nah, it shouldn't really be a problem. As we're back to racing with the 66 Chevy Longman in the right-hand lane. And in the left-hand lane, a V8 powered four-door Fox body. These things were really popular in drag week. Lots and lots of the Fox cars are coming out that are not Mustangs. Thunderbirds, Fairmonts, Zephyrs. Ooh, he's bumping in. And it looks like the Ford is going to get out first down ahead. Only a lot of blue smoke coming out of the front. What was he thinking? Sure enough, the Ford gets there first, 1527, 91 miles an hour. The truck got a great view of that Ford's pass. 23.8 at 54 miles an hour. How is that thing even drivable on the street? Can you imagine taking nearly half a minute to go 54 miles an hour? All right, we've got the super nice Buick wagon with the small block Chevy in it. Against, I can't remember what was powered by this thing. I think there's a 4.8 LS motor in the Monte Carlo. And he gets out pretty strong. Oh yeah, the Monte Carlo's got legit parts and tires. You know it's not a junkyard transmission in that thing. .38 in the right-hand lane, 15.31 in the left. That one's going to go to the Monte Carlo, and he will return. And maybe eventually go head-to-head with that 440 Dodge pickup truck. In the right-hand lane, we've got the clapped-out four-wheel drive extended cab Chevy. And in the left-hand lane, we've got the, what did I say that was, a 64 four-door Olds Dynamic 88. Oh, the Dynamic 88 gets out first. He does have a small block Chevy in that Oldsmobile, and he's actually going to show something for the pickup truck. Look at that! Bam! 1619, 83 miles an hour versus 1770 at 74. Oh, we got the Rat Runner in the left-hand lane, the 73 Plymouth Roadrunner with a 318 in it, cobbled together out of leftover stuff by this Mopar guy who also owns that 71 Roadrunner, the butterscotch car that you saw from our car show. And in the right-hand lane, the not really Evo, the not really good, and I'm guessing the not really fast. Come on, Mopar guy. Stage and pre-stage as she goes way deep. And the Roadrunner gets off that one-legger did him no favors. That is going to be some humiliating stuff. As the import car gets there first, the non-Evo 1858, the Roadrunner just destroying one tire and going 1929. All right, here comes the Colonnade Pontiac wagon with the clamshell door in the back, the right-hand lane, and the bone stock Chevy truck on the left. The wagon gets out first. The wagon actually going to keep its lead on that thing? That's the front. Is that a 400 Pontiac wagon? He's got a 402 barrel in that thing. And he gets there first by cutting the light. 1762 versus the quicker 1760 in the left-hand lane. That race was won at the Christmas tree. The wagon got the jump and maintained it to the end and took the win with that 402 barrel. Now there is no chance the Honda in the right-hand lane is going to do anything worthwhile. As a matter of fact, if you want to get up, go to the concession stand, maybe take a leak, you'll be able to come back and not miss him crossing the finish line. Left-hand lane, 1692, 82 miles an hour. The Honda's going to run about 22.9. Nope, 23.9. Call me a liar. 53 miles an hour. That thing took 24 seconds to go 53 miles an hour. All right, here's the world's most classed out Chevelle. This thing is bad. There's more Bondo and rust in this thing than in a Bondo factory. It has Titanic level rust. That Chevelle, it truly looks like garbage in bar. It's also going to lose. It's bad when you're ugly and slow. 1788 in the left-hand lane, the Chevelle 1991. That is some embarrassing action right there. In the right-hand lane, this lady has got herself a 350-power Chevy pickup truck. In the left-hand lane, the very, very rusty Ford wagon. And he goes red in the Ford wagon, absolutely giving away the run to the short bed pickup truck. Already lost and he doesn't even know it. So let's hope he keeps the hammer down and gets off the track as quickly as possible. The wagon gets there 1918, whereas the pickup runs 1733. Here's going to be a pretty fun matchup. It's coming up. In the left-hand lane, we got that junky-looking turbo on an even worse-looking 4.8-liter LS. In the right-hand lane, the trashed Mustang SN85 convertible with the small block Chevy in it. Ooh, this guy's going to stage very shallow, looking for an advantage. I think everybody's going to be happy to see the Monte Carlo return. And the Monte Carlo 1169. Awesome. In the right-hand lane, 14.0 and 100 miles an hour. Oh man, this is gruesome. Cast your gaze away from the starting line. Look at the Miata with the spray paint job, the guts interior, the little... Thankfully, the Miata is going to be going home with that 16-second time. I promise you won't have to look at it again, although he's probably turn north right in front of the grandstand. Okay, this is a freak show in the left-hand lane. The Buick Riviera with the giant Hoosier slicks on the front. This thing has got one of those supercharged V6s in it. The right-hand lane. And it goes 1407, 96 miles an hour. In the right-hand lane, 1772. That's what we like seeing, flapped out weirdo stuff. All right, that was the end of the very first race. But it's 4 cylinders and it's ugly. And in the left-hand lane, the minivan. All of these cars deemed virtually worthless by the Roadkill crew with your help here in the grandstand. Yep, this is round 2. Thank you, round 2. I stroll over here to educate myself about what this thing is. Oh, this is going to be another one of those blown frequencies. Oh man, the minivan is actually going to take it. I had no idea what this thing was. It's an Oldsmobile Intrigue. That mirror down there in the right-hand lane, 1846, and I was asleep at the switch and missed the number in the left-hand lane. But he lost, so we won't be seeing him again. The Chevy long bed pickup going against the 3.8 supercharged Oldsmobile Intrigue. Over here, fortunately not on the racetrack, but ahead of the burnout box. Yep, we're going to bear them up with the next round because we do just go round 1482 in the right-hand lane with a little V6, 1695 in the left-hand lane for the truck. Maybe the truck could be towing home some of these other competitors who are losing. We're going to another random pairing with the Disco Nova in the close lane. And in the far lane, I think that's a Taurus. I just am horrible at these late model 4-doors. As that lowered white Dodge pickup pulls away, gonna have to go deal with what's obviously a major overheating problem. It's puking all over the burnout box back here. Disco Nova stages. And he's gonna get the bulb against the car the other he got out ahead of him. Oh, this is some embarrassing stuff. You're not gonna let this down, really? Come on, Nova guy. Oh, he just barely gets there first. 1512 for the Nova and 1525 in the left-hand lane. That was tight. All right, here comes our supercharged Cougar versus what I think is the show Taurus on the other side. And the stick shift car, varsity gears going down the track. These races are going to end up getting closer and closer as we go through the rounds. As we narrow it down to our faster and faster cars. And this time it's going to go to the Cougar. 1440 and 101 in the left-hand lane, 1549 and 89 miles an hour. As we go to the LS-powered 4-door S10 Blazer versus the swanky, chick picking up 3rd-gen Firebird. This is a date-mobile if I've ever seen one. Oh man, the Blazer is going to get this one. I think the 3rd-gen wanted to savor the drag racing experience and just make it last as long as possible. You know when you got your chick in your car, you want to cruise 18, 16 and coasting 54 in the left-hand lane. I think you probably let out of that early. 21 seconds of love. The 440 Dodge pickup in the right-hand lane, my favorite part of it, the 440 under the hood and the Power Wagon tailgate on the back versus the 4x4 predict what's going to happen here. I think that 440 truck is our sleeper of the group. Perhaps our mistake, $3,000. 1489, 74 miles an hour. Something going on there too. 17. Okay, this car can lose this round, so I never have to listen to it again. That would be fantastic. In the right-hand lane, the blown V6 gutted Thunderbird. And in the left-hand lane, the world's worst Nova. Oh, no. Tell they put some thought into that car. 13-17 in the right-hand lane, 104 miles an hour, showing us a little bit of a sandbag out of that car on previous run. 16-0 from the Nova. You're going to see that Cougar just making laps. To be honest, that's the type of car that we wanted to see with the $3,000 Hooptie Challenge. A lot of ingenuity as the small block Chevy powered four-door all in the left-hand lane goes against the LS Monte Carlo. Monte Carlo is way out front. The Oldsmobile might be long enough. I think the bumper of the Oldsmobile still crosses the starting line. And naturally, the Monte Carlo gets there first, 1449, 94 miles an hour, 16-0, 85 miles an hour out of the small block Chevy in the crew cab of Oldsmobile. Here is our last pair of the second round. The Audi in the right-hand lane, the 302 powered four-door Fox body in the left-hand lane. Oh, he may let the Audi win. The Audi got out first and stayed ahead. The V8 power out front of it is looking that way, at least from the finance point. Boom! Ford wins, 1530, 91 miles an hour. The Audi cruises to 1696 as we come back to the 350 powered bone stock short bed Chevy pickup truck. And another one of these little front driver blown V6 cars in the other lane. Oh no, it's not! That isn't. That's like a Chevy Lumen or something like that. Pick up. I think we need to test this guy an invitation to leave the starting line. There you go. Green light came on, he decided to take us to battle. So that assures that we will be seeing her truck coming back for the next round, and with the third round of racing. The hideous turbo car, the Chinese turbo on the 4.8-liter LS in the Monte Carlo, goes against the Toyota motor with the Supra independent rear suspension in the bedless truck. This is going to be entertaining. I'm thinking we're going to see the truck go home. He barely bumped into the light, going shallow to try and get a run at the track for a better ET. And the Monte Carlo's out front. They're out front. And he was sandbagging, pulling back 1476. The truck's impressive. You got to give him credit for that thing. That thing was pure crap. It was actually pretty quick. Speaking of pure crap, look at this Riviera in the left-hand lane. He's going against the 400 cubic inch Pontiac wagon. Wondering how life could possibly have come to this moment. And yes, the Riviera goes 14, 26, and 19, 96 miles an hour. And the Pontiac scrolls through 1979 and 74. The Not Evo comes to the line with the Not Good in the other lane. Nice shiny black paint, that's all it's got going for it. Who wants to see the girl in the Evo win this thing? And the right-hand lane takes it. She is going to come back 18 16 out of the Not Evo. In the other lane, the Cougar will be back. This will be a pretty fresh one right here. The LS powered S15 Blazer, S10 Blazer, against the 440 Dodge truck. Proof prowess of the big block Mopar, salvaged from the Imperial. He might as well save the energy. He can lift right now. He's going to go through the lights before that Blazer. Bam! 1338, 96 miles an hour. The Blazer, a respectable 1418 at 97. So, waiting for, I believe, the fourth round to come back. For now, at the point we don't have cars stacked up, we need all the winners to return to lane. This one here, and that other Cougar that came with independent rear suspension. The wheel hopping master. Once again, he's got Space Saver rims on the front as front runners. Again, I never need to hear that car again in my life. Monte Carlo guy, go ahead and take this thing down. Do us all a favor.
Just to spite him.
Again, 1305 in the right-hand lane, 1442 in the left. As the humiliatingly slow Disco Nova lines up against the four-door 302 powered Ford. He goes very, very shallow staging. Shallow staging again. Staging good for the reaction time. Boom, right-hand lane. The Nova's going to take it, 1389, 1522 out of the fourth. Now we're going into the fourth round. We've got our Freak Show Riviera in the left-hand lane with the slicks on the front. He is using his parking brake as a line lock, dragging the rear tires through the burnout box. That was hideous. You're right, it was fantastic. Hideous is a compliment. Garbage is good. As the Riviera saves its energy, 1445. I think our girl in the Not Evo might be going home right now. The Turbo 4.8 in the Monte Carlo, proving the speed you may run with a worthless vehicle. He gets out first too. Here's the Cougar again in the right-hand lane, third gen in the left-hand lane, figuring out how to stage that car in reverse. Cougar gets out first. And the kitty Cougar runs 1452 against the 1497 in the other lane. Cougar will keep coming back. That appears to be the demon tweak out here, is to get one of those whale-bodied Fords fast. going to go home with a 13.25. We're backing him in tighter now so we can figure out what's what. This is the last of the fourth round. I had claimed that that last pass was, but in fact, this one with the Riviera and the Disco Nova. But in this case, it doesn't matter because he gets there with a pretty good race, 14:38, winning to a 14:54. Actually going to be a nail biter. Monte Carlo 13:41 to 14:37. We're going to watch Dodge truck against the really, really ugly Riviera. On the right-hand side, 14:27 on the left. Unfortunately, we're going to say bye-bye to that very memorable field Riviera. So that means our final is going to come down to the 440 Dodge truck and the 4.8 Turbo Monte Carlo. That's going to be fun to watch. Man. Okay, final round with the Roadkill $3,000 Hooptie Challenge brought to you by Gearlinger's Overdrive. Gonna be awesome. And then we'll probably roll over and wind up doing some more autographs after this. Now we saw the Monte Carlo return, so we knew we had no opportunity to go mechanically do anything to increase his boost. We may not have stepped this thing up. We'll find out. Gave that one away. Bam! So we're going to stage him right here for the award. And I think Finnegan and I are probably going to head over and sign some stuff. Run him again and switch lanes.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that footage. So if you couldn't tell at the very end, the Monte Carlo is what won. Mainly because the Dodge actually red lit. After that, they actually did do a rematch race just for kind of like exhibition style. Sorry I didn't get that footage. But the Monte Carlo actually won that one straight up. So either way, Monte Carlo won. And it was kind of a pretty ugly setup. If you go back into, I think it was I think my day 2 footage, you'll see a better close-up of the motor setup on that Monte Carlo. It was pretty ugly, but hey, that doesn't have to be pretty to work. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. If you did, please drop a like. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And if it's your first time stopping by the channel, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.